Home sweet home, using the finest ecological coverings. Cork, a natural product of which Portugal is the world's biggest producer, has a wide variety of applications. The finest ecological covering for both floor and wall. Cork, a natural and ecologically sustainable product, has a high degree of thermal and acoustic effectiveness. MJO Cork, a forward-thinking business which transforms cork into sustainable covering solutions which are recyclable, safe, and hard-wearing. We are present in numerous markets with the MJO and iCork brands, a new way of viewing cork. In the home, MJO cork flooring is the most comfortable and ecological, easy to clean and maintain. The floor of the future is here now and in the colors that you want. Cork is a natural product which comes from the cork oak tree, which is an integral part of Portugal's biodiversity. Unique properties such as its ability to be recycled, its being biodegradable and hypoallergenic, make cork an environmentally friendly product which is the choice of millions of consumers. Portugal is the world's biggest producer of cork. MJO Cork is a part of this universe as one of the world's major players.